Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys a few ways really to increase your pet inventory or your egg inventory or whatnot in Grow a Garden. So the first way you're going to do it is you're going to go to shops, and here if you haven't gotten anything yet, you can just go and upgrade it for free. As you can see, I will need to trade in a pet to get it to have extra like slots now. But when you first expand your inventory, you don't need to, but the more you need like extra slots, you do need to trade in your pet. So here, oops, oh my gosh, no. So here, this is the pet equip slots. So this is for like if you want more slots in your garden when you place like pets. As you can see, I will need my pet's age to be 60 in order for me to trade in a pet. And then here, this is egg equip slots. So for instance, like I want to put more than like 3 eggs in my garden. I need to do that. And then last one is the pet inventory capacity. So if I want more inventory here for my pets, this is the like pet inventory capacity. So that's one way to do it. You'll need to age up your pets in order to trade for a slot. You can also craft a pet pouch. Now this will only increase the inventory. It's not going to increase the pet slot you have for eggs and the one in your garden. And lastly, you can ascend. Now what ascension does is you can get garden coins, and then with every 40 garden coins you are able to purchase either of these 3. So it says a capacity upgrade, unlock 1 additional egg. Okay, so this one, for 40 garden coins you'll unlock 1 additional egg slot. For this one, pet inventory capacity upgrade, it's going to unlock 10 additional slots. And then I think that there's only 2 actually for this. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I think the like most worth it you can do is upgrade your pet inventory capacity this way, and then for the egg maybe trade in your pets. I'm not sure. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.